After purchasing, you will receive your Matoha instrument in a protective carry case. Inside you will find your spectrometer, which is either a Plastel or Fabritel, a power supply and mains adapters for UK, EU, and US, a quick reference guide which contains the basics of how to use your instrument, and calibration targets based on what device you have. The instruments are made up of a detector and lamp for non-transparent samples, a screen display, a programmable color LED for material identification, for Plastel, a lamp for transparent and translucent samples, located at the back, a USB power inlet, and a control button. The next step is to turn the machine on. Simply plug in your device using the supplied USB adapter. The machine will show calibrating. Please wait. When done, the screen will display ready to measure. Place your sample on the sensor and the machine will show the results in less than a second. The items on your screen show update device message if an update is available, a Wi-Fi icon. You have successfully connected the device to a Wi-Fi network. Sample composition. For Fabritel, this shows you the percentages of the materials inside the sample, and for Plastel, this shows the polymer name. For components at low percentages, the screen will display contamination. Confidence indicator. This shows the score of the measurement, which ranges from low, medium, and high confidence level. At the back of the device, there is a built-in button. If you hold down the button, the device menu is displayed. The menu contains the following items. If an update is available, Update Dev starts the device update. Turn off. This turns the machine off. To turn it back on, simply press the button again. You can also unplug the cable to turn your machine off. Restart, which restarts the machine. Dev Info. This shows the current device information, such as the serial number and firmware version. And Exit menu. There is an automatic sleep mode. This will save energy and the life of the electric components inside the machine. After 60 minutes of no measurements, the machine will turn off, and this will be indicated by the LED pulsating on and off. To wake it up, simply press the main button. You can also adjust the sleep mode settings in our app. To obtain accurate measurements, please watch our videos showing the measurement guidelines. For more information, visit us at matoha.com.